Education should be completely accessible to everyone, so here are the resources that I use to get all 9s in my GCSEs that are completely free. I just don't think that anyone should have to pay for like GoodNotes or Save My Exams because one, not everyone can, and two, why do you need to pay to learn in the first place? The first thing is honestly the spec for whatever subjects you're doing, and obviously this gets harder to use as you go up in education, but for GCSEs, the spec has every possible bit of information that could ever come up in your exam. That spec will be your best friend, so make sure you actually use it. Secondly, this website called PalmyLearn, it has a completely free test feature where it makes you quizzes off of YouTube videos. You just upload the link to a YouTube video covering whatever you need to revise and it makes you a quiz, and this is so good because it prioritizes active recall, and websites like Gizmo and Quizlet or whatever you're using for your flashcards will charge you money. It does have subscriptions which gives you access to a lot of things, but the free feature honestly has so much. The next one isn't really like a website, it's just kind of a hack. Basically, if you want to kind of read outside of the specification and go a lot more in depth, use Google. Or better yet, use Google Scholar. And this might sound really stupid, like of course you use Google, but write down a really good top university, whatever subject you're revising, and then free PDF. You will have access to so many research papers. Obviously, this applies a lot more for A-levels, but you should still do this during your GCSEs to make sure you actually understand what's happening. I'm so far ahead of my class when it comes to actual understanding because I've done so much wider reading. So yeah, have fun studying and having access to actually good free materials.